Hi, we're the Olsons here in Tucson, and we just got some great windows from Enhanced Openings, including this great solar skylight above me. And the reason we did it was because the old skylight was the typical plastic stuff, and the heat came in like crazy, and it didn't open. And our other windows I bought 10 years ago, they were dual pane, but they kind of fell apart over the years. They just fell apart. So we figured that a good investment in a home is great windows.
And so we needed to get new windows in our overhead, and then decided to do the skylight. And we also did a clear skylight in the kitchen, which I absolutely love, and he's decided he likes it too.
And they're solar skylights. It's controlled by the sun, the motor is. So that's an interesting tax break you get too come next year's tax time. So we're happy.